Good morning, class. How are y'all today?
Good, Miss Burkhart.
Well, today
Miss Burkhart!
we are going to learn some...
Damn, shorty,
I've
fine.
I've never had a teacher that said on me
Oh,
before.
excuse me. Do not say that to me. Turn into your lesson books. Multiple choice strategy. All right, Christina, please read this to the class. Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
We recommend that you read each multiple choice test answers before you answer the question. Remember, since
Oh.
there are more
Excuse
wrong
me.
answers,
No.
correct?
Kevin
wrong
needs to read this.
No,
No,
Miss
he needs to
Burkhart, I
read
like
this.
reading.
Read. Please.
I'm giving you my phone. I don't even like this class.
Strategy
Excuse me, Christina, come into my office.
Strategy two.
What?
Miss Burkhart
Bye,
is
Kevin.
fine.
Bye, Kevin.
As a mother.
Okay, you need to go into detention. Go sit in detention.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
When Miss Burkhart gets back, I'll give her a surprise of her life.
You need to not do that anymore.
Why?
Talk about that's really bad. You talking on your phone? You can't be doing that.
Okay.
Come here. Oh, Miss Burkhart.
What are you
You
doing?
need to practice. That's your homework for tonight.
Practice what?
That's your homework. Practice kissing.
That tongue? Sorry.
Oh.